More than 70 families were on the docket for eviction court today. News 12's Danielle Moss talked to Judge Starnes about why the eviction moratorium extension does not apply in the state of Tennessee.
Even though the CDC extended the eviction moratorium into October of this year, the Sixth Circuit ruled that it was unconstitutional, which means families in Tennessee and in Hamilton County had to deal with eviction court this morning. Tears, pleas, and sometimes arguing filled the courtroom as Judge Gary Starnes heard from a host of families today. Some of the cases that Judge Starnes heard this morning have been on the docket for more than 15 months. Nothina Chetri faced her landlord for over 10 years. He said that she owed him more than $5,000 in rent. Chetri says that she offered to pay him more than $3,000 during the lockdown. After hearing both sides of the argument, the judge ruled that she didn't owe him any money, but she has 10 days to move out.
I've always tried to take care of my responsibilities, my bills, and everything that I need to do is to make sure my children and I are taken care of. I offered to make sure that past due was taken care of, that it was paid, that I was not just staying in the home freeloading on him, just living and having free rent. That was not the case.
Tennessee is not the only state that is affected by the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals decision. Kentucky, Ohio, and Michigan are all under the court's ruling. We spoke to the city attorney, who says that other courts in Tennessee might be finding differently.
They might be waiting for an appeal or another decision. I really don't know. I've only been in this courtroom today, and there are 95 counties in Tennessee. So I think that there are still a lot of things that are very unknown at this point.
Judge Starnes says that eviction court is not a day that he looks forward to. He suggests that families that are still struggling look for unemployment because financial assistance may be running slow.
I feel bad for all of these folks, the tenants and the landlords. It's one of those situations where nobody puts you in this situation for whatever reason, where it came from, whatever. They're just in a bad situation, and unfortunately, when it ends, which it has in Tennessee, you've got to do something.
One attorney says that families and landlords can still apply for THDA assistance. Reporting in Chattanooga, Danielle Moss, News 12 Now.